Hello everyone, I have opened the Milwaukee M18 4 amps battery that is not, it's showing that it's charged, but it's not charging and it's empty. And what I have found, the plate here is damaged, so I think I will try to sand it a little bit and solder some kind of the wire here. Okay, I have sanded it a little bit, now taking a small amount of flux here. And I will check if we can solder something here. Yeah, it seems that we can. Okay, what I will try to do here, I will try to solder this wire. It will act as a jumper for this plate. Got it to the one side. Now I need to get it to the other side. Yeah. Now I will cut excess wire. Okay, I'm closing the battery housing. Okay, it still shows that it's empty. And now I have the charger. Putting the battery in, it shows that it's charging, so now I just need to wait for some time to check it if it have charged. Yeah, now I can see it shows two lights. Maybe it will go a couple more. We will see in some time. And until I was repairing Makita tool, I seen that the battery is fully charged. So that means our fix, okay, it's not fully charged, the charger not show that's fully charged, but have a 3 from the 4, so that means it's accept charge, and that means that our fix worked. So always check your battery from the inside, maybe it's something simple like this time. Thank you for watching and bye.